Buzzing District 1 is home to the Independence Palace, a former presidential home offering tours of its war rooms. There is also the 19th century Notre Dame Cathedral. The Ho Chi Minh City Museum houses local maps and historical photos. And the Fine Art Museum shows contemporary Vietnamese work. Food kiosks and handcraft stalls fill the Binh Thanh Market. That's our hotel. All the way up to the 9th floor. There's Bill and Jim. Hey.
So mine's just, it's called the Red Doors.
And Singing Gulu Street is known for backpacker bars and hostels. District 1 is approximately 2,981 miles. Population according to 2018 was 205,180,000. Things to do and places to see in District 1 is Independence Palace, Binh Thanh Market, Notre Dame Cathedral, Saigon Central Post Office, Jade Emperor Pagoda, Van Lang University, University of Science, HCNC Conservative of Music, Hon Sen University. How's that place? Oh, that's where the only thing have beer.
That's kind of like about 50 food stalls all in one place.
Oh, is that right? Yeah. Ho Chi Minh City is a popular tourist destination due to its fascinating culture, sleek skyscrapers, ornate temples, and Chinese pagodas. The city has plenty of rooftop bars overlooking Saigon and beyond, plus fantastic restaurants offering a combination of French, Chinese, and of course, Vietnamese cuisine. And from District 1, Saigon, it's striking distance to a lot of great places. Cho Chi tunnels, where you can go down into the actual tunnels they used during the war in Vietnam. Bang Tao, which is a beach coastal resort area, about 2 hours by car, and other great locations. Only the alley food. You guys ever done that?
Let's go down. I've been down some, I haven't been down this one.
Oh, look at it. Spade says he knows the place is really good. He's been there like since 1975 or something.
Yeah. Well, this is kind of like the taco truck back home. It's like they made a bad meal and they'd be out of business. So.
Uh-oh. It does take some time to get used to the heat and humidity of Vietnam. I suggest drinking a lot of water. You should also take it easy for the first few days while you're in country. And this is one of the biggest tips I can give you. There are literally thousands and thousands of scooters roaming the streets in Saigon. Here are the rules. Once you start across the street, you keep an even pace, you don't stop, you don't go backwards, you don't run forward. The motor scooters will go around you, but you have to keep that even pace so they know which direction you're going. The cars will generally slow down or stop as you pass by. Well, here's the big rule. Never, ever go in front of a bus while it's moving. They are on a schedule and they will not stop. Walking across the street for your first time can be a little bit scary, but you will get used to it.
You want a beer?
No, I'm good.
Keep it rolling.
Hey, I'm good. I'm water right now. Water. Don't give me water. Fish pissing in it. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Yeah. When in Rome.
Yeah.
No problem. Oh, they're traffic. Oh, this is our last day in Vietnam. Last school day. So we've seen traffic. Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel. Remember, No excuse. Go travel. Never too old to see the world.